Excel Network preps students for post-college life by gathering resources for internships, pre-professional experiences, and career advising into one spot. With dedicated staff to help students find experiential learning opportunities like world-class study abroad, internships, and careers, students are also connected with alumni networking opportunities.
My internship showed me this is what I want to do.
I've actually been doing a lot of design work, a lot of projects.
When you study abroad, you learn a different way of thinking.
Being able to go to London gave me a whole different experience that I wouldn't have gotten in the classroom.
Start by joining one or more career communities. Career communities are organized around industries and interests, including featured jobs, internships, study abroad and away opportunities, and on-campus events. Alongside this customized information, you get strong support and guidance from Excel Network staff.
I didn't realize at the time, but all of those experiences that I was gaining in college were helping put me ahead in my future career.
Visit the Excel Network, join a career community, and accelerate your potential.